Welcome to Unit 3, where we shift our focus from listening to another vital method of receiving information, reading, a cornerstone of effective learning and discovery. Developing effective reading strategies is essential for your academic performance and for your understanding of the world around you. Reading serves as a cornerstone of your daily life, helping you acquire knowledge, preventing ignorance, and keeping you informed about developments and situations. Beyond the academic necessity of gathering data, theories, and laws, reading is also a source of pleasure and well-being, often described as medicine that enlivens the mind and heals the soul. Despite its importance, many people struggle with reading due to habits that hinder their progress. These can include reading word by word, focusing too long on individual letters, sub-vocalizing, or regressing, which means unnecessarily rereading the same material. To become an efficient reader, you must move towards systematic strategies. First, always decide the purpose of your reading. There is no one-size-fits-all approach. Your speed and technique should change depending on whether you are scanning for a specific fact, studying a complex concept, or simply reading for enjoyment. Flexibility is the key. Second, you rarely need to read an entire book cover to cover. Learn to use the table of contents, chapter headings, and the index to filter out irrelevant information and pinpoint exactly what you need. Third, always get an overview before diving into intensive reading. By surveying the abstract, the introduction, headings, and the conclusion, you can quickly determine if the material is worth your time. Finally, improve your focus by asking specific guiding questions before you begin. Instead of passively processing text, hunt for the answers to your questions and take notes as you go. This practice will keep you actively engaged and provide a valuable summary for future revision. Remember, reading is a skill that requires active practice. As you encounter larger volumes of information with limited time, your goal is to increase your speed without sacrificing comprehension. By consistently applying these strategies, you will transform your study habits and significantly improve your overall academic efficiency. If you are watching this course from YouTube or other platform, make sure to sign up on coursexquiz.com to take this unit quiz and track your progress. Enrollment is completely free.